Alright, welcome back. Nigerian soldiers escort Fulani S-men as they flout open grazing in Ijebu-Ode. Alright, the news in details. Her video shared online shows the moment Nigerian soldiers were seen escorting Fulani S-men as they flout open grazing in Ijebu-Ode of Ogun State. My people say that they have no land for ranching. Dave Umahi. In the video, a background voice could be heard saying, "Look at the Nigerian soldiers, the way they have now turned into cattle rearers." Alright, and then as it is, majority of people are so surprised with the situation on ground. My brother, this is not a funny thing at all. Well, in a country whereby we have a lot of civilized people, in a country whereby things are supposed to be working, and then now majority of people have now seen it that actually this set of people are the one ruling us in this country. Well, many people are not happy with the situation on ground, and then with what had actually been said before now in Delta State, whereby the Fulani S-men give the Delta State government 72 hours ultimatum to allow people, to allow their herders to continue their grazing and the rest of it, and they have threatened that if they do not allow them, that they are going to bomb the states, most especially the Asaba and the Agbo part of Delta State. My brother, my sister, what is going on in this country? Well, according to Bita, we have said that don't forget that the bandits do wear soldier uniform. So we can see that the Fulani S-men are the terrorists that kidnap people. No argument. That's another one. This one has been said so far by Obi Taiwo. Well, according to Ima Oyema, he said Buhari has succeeded in reducing Nigerians to his level. Well, bye-bye to Nigeria, a country where cow is their commander-in-chief of armed forces. No difference between Buhari and cow. This had been said by Ino Nwa David. That is serious. Well, many people are not happy right now with the situation on ground. And then you don't mean it. Well, this is another one. And the Taiwo Sam Olaide said that, well, are you sure they are soldiers or those ones are fake soldiers using camouflage dress of Nigerian army? That's another serious one. Well, Nzewata can do. I said that, well, do you want them to come past your street before you believe the video? That's another one. Well, the truth of the matter is everybody has made up his or her mind onto this one. Okay, Gwaze or Dekpayi, I said that we know most of those cows belongs to Buhari, Abdusalam, Malami, and the rest of them. Well, God is bigger than they. The war is kicking. That is what it means. Well, my people, may the good Lord continue to protect his people with what we have seen so far happening in the country right now. That is to tell you that there is fire on the mountain. All right, and meanwhile, there is a video going viral on social media right now, and then there is a young man who have been seen in that same video chasing some cows. And then with what I have here, it is said that I never knew that cows could run like this when they see death. All right, and then onto this, it has been gathered that as the southern part, including some parts of the northern region of the country, struggle with the issue of open grazing and the calls to stop it, it yet seems like there is no sign that it is ending soon. Well, this is notwithstanding the fact that the entire southern governors have unanimously called for the S-men to vacate the streets of the entire southern state in the meeting held in Delta State last month. However, as the cattle breeders continues to move their flocks along the southern states in defiance of the calls for them to desist from the act, Femi Fani-Kayode had tweeted a short video clips of them in an undisclosed location in the country. All right, according to what had been gathered, according to at Femi Fani-Kayode at Real FFK here on Twitter, he has said that, well, in the rather hilarious 29 seconds video footage, a large number of cattle were seen running along a tarred road as much as they could, while a young man, assailant, who was holding a broad-mouthed cutlass chasing after them. All right, and meanwhile, another man who was presumably Fulani header anyway, was also seen sandwiched amidst the fleeing animals. All right, and as the video have been attracting different replies, one person named Avila replied that he did not know that cows could run like they did in heat. All right, at the minute in the video, and then when they see that, I never knew that when cows see that, they will be able to run in this manner. Well, as you can see, a young man, chasing after cows, and you can also see a header. A Fulani header was also seen sandwiched amidst the fleeing animals. Well, this is to tell you that majority of people are not happy with what is going down in the country right now. My brother, this is no longer a joke. And as it is, many people have said it that the president, your president, actually know about what is going on in the country. Many things have been happening in the country as we speak right now. Well, and then majority of people have said it that why is it that they are so adamant? Why not embrace modern way of cattle rearing and then save us from all this nonsense? Is it so difficult? And then that is it. It's not that difficult if not for the fact that they are just looking for a way to cause problem, of which they have started already. Because we have been asking this question without any reply. Brother, is it so difficult to do that? Why not embrace modern way of cattle rearing and save us from all this nonsense? Exactly, they are all nonsense. Well, while growing up, I remember that we used to live in peace with these people. What happened to Nigeria? So sad. And then meanwhile, according to Captain Barbosa, he said that this is the same position I hold growing up. We lived in peace with these people. Whatever happened that has led to all this is serious. It is well. All right, and then according to Comrade Ahmed Yusuf, he said, well, sir, I personally witnessed this last night in Abuja. Okay, I think this happened in Abuja. Wow, that's another serious one. Well, may the good Lord continue to help us. Well, that is how Fulani will be wiped out one day. This is serious. All right, and then it is also said by Fidi Pites that, well, very good. Nigerian youth have started waking up. That's serious. Well, it is this president that came with the devilish agenda of claiming the South for the North that has caused this problem. He makes them think they own Nigeria and can do anything and get away with it, though he hasn't said so, but his body language and neglect of obvious wrongs embolden them. Since the beginning of Buhari regime, cows have been enjoying in major cities, chilling, also add fat and weight, while human beings get lean and tiny. Well, my people, majority of things are actually being said, and that is what we have seen so far. How long are we going to continue like this? We can imagine what is happening in the Ijebu. Soldiers are now the ones escorting herders that is flouting open grazing right now on the streets that we have to graze and nothing will stop us. That is what we are talking about. And a majority of people are saying that, you even sure this set of people are real soldiers? My brother, who are the people controlling us? The soldiers, the people at the top positions, they are all Fulani. So what are we talking about? The chief of army staff is a Fulani. So what else do you expect? May the good Lord continue to help us, my brother, onto this one. What more can we say? Meanwhile, let me have your take on this, and Remember to subscribe for more updates. Thanks and God bless.